Hello friends, this question is from test series 6. The topic name is two-point network. It's a common data question. In this question, Z11 is given as this slight misprint. It is Z11 is given as, I will rewrite as Z11 is given as twice s plus 1 by s, okay, and s comma. Again Z12 is equal to Z21 is equal to the twice of s, okay, twice of s, and Z22 is 2s plus 4, okay. So here is the value of Z parameters of the given in the network, and in the first problem we need to find out the input current I1 and the input voltage V1 that we need to find out. So just we see that here as Z11 is given as twice of s plus 1 by s, okay, and Z12 is given as twice of s, and Z22 is given as twice of s plus 4. So let's apply from the Z parameter. We know that V1 is equal to the Z11 times I1 plus Z12 times I2. So it will be equal to the twice of s plus 1 by s times I1 plus twice of s times I2, because Z12 is twice of s. It is one equation. So now if I may apply the KVL in the input loop, okay, and the KVL in the output loop, so I will again write it down the two equations, which is Vs will be equal to the thrice of I1 plus V2 plus V1 in the input side, and the output side 0 is equal to the 1 plus S times I2 plus V2, right? We know that S is equal to the j omega, but in this question omega is equal to 1, so my S is equal to the j, right? So substitute S j in place of S, so my V1 will be equal to the j times I1 plus twice of j times I2, because it is twice of j minus of j. 1 by j is basically equal to the minus of j, so it is twice of j minus of j is basically equal to j, so j times I1 plus twice of j times I2, and similarly, and my Vs is basically equal to the 12, okay. I'm going to represent Vs with its magnitude 12 only. So next equation will be 12 is equal to the thrice of I1 plus V2, okay. And the third equation, which is equation number 2, is minus 0 is equal to the 1 plus j times I2 plus V2, okay. Similarly, I can write it down my second equation of Z parameter, which is V2 is Z21 times I1 plus Z22 times I2. I can directly write down this equation as 12 is equal to the, I can write down this equation as V2 is equal to the twice of j I1 plus 4 plus twice of j I2. Now by simplifying all these equations, I can get the value of I1. It's a simple simplification. I1 is 3.29 with angles of 10.2 degree, and V1 is 2.88 with the angle of 37.5 degree. So in this question, my correct option is option number A. For the first part, my correct option is option number A. Thank you.